Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to record videos in MP4 format even if your device is not compatible. So in this video I'll be using Coolpad Dazen Note 3 which records video in PGP format. So if you have any smartphone which records video in PGP format or in any other format, then you will be also able to record your videos in MP4. Let's have a look on our camera first. Let's switch to video mode. Let me show you the settings. Video resolution has been set to the highest setting possible, which is 1080p, and I'll be recording the video in the highest setting possible. To show you the video first, how this smartphone records the video in 3D format, and I'll be showing you the format of this video. So as you can see that the format of this video is 3GP and it takes around 13.83 MB. So you will need an app which is called Open Camera. Just install it. You can get this app from Google Play Store, and after installing this app, just open it, and after opening, go to the settings and just scroll down a bit and you'll see there video settings, and just go to the video resolution option and set it to the highest setting, which is 1920 by 1440. It will record the video in 4:3 ratio. So just tap on that. And one more thing I would like to tell you, that if your device is compatible of recording videos in 4K, which is UHD video, then you can check this experimental checkbox too. Even if your device is incompatible of recording 4K video, then you can try this option too. And here I'll be showing you one more interesting option, which is video stabilization. If you'll enable this option, then you will somehow able to record some steady shots which will not shake that much. It will make your video somehow a little bit stabilized. All settings has been set it up. So save it, open camera again, and I'll be switching to the video recording mode. And I'll be recording a short video just for showing you the format. Let me show you the video's property details. So as you can see that this video has been recorded in MP4 format and it takes around 5.25 MB. So now you can record your videos in MP4 format, plus you can also record in 4K resolution. And one bonus thing is that you can record a stabilized video too. So do give a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and families. And the most important thing, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more such videos. If you would like to request any video, then you can request it too in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. This is Aditya Prakash signing off from My Instant Search Tutorials.